Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a bagging pretty much, but whatever. But I want to show you guys the August Ipsy bag that I got. So I've gotten a total of 3 Ipsy bags, I believe. Yeah, like 3 or 4 in August, so that I didn't get the September bag because I don't know, I feel like Ipsy's just like a hit or miss kind of thing for me. A lot of the things that come in there aren't really my style, and then like when they say sample size, like it's really sample size. Like I got a highlighter from Ipsy once, and like my pinky barely fit in it, so it was like really weird. But I probably am gonna start the subscription back up this month. Like in September, maybe I'll get the September bag, and then they'll bill me for the October bag as well, because I think I really want the October bag just because it's, you know, Halloween themed. But I'm probably gonna start my subscription again. But I just want to show you guys my August Ipsy bag. So this is a cute little bag. I actually really like this tassel. I use one of the Ipsy bags as my makeup bag that I take with me to work. So I'm probably gonna like take that. Like I'll probably alternate between bags, but I really like this one. It's actually very cute. So let's open it up and see what came inside. So first you get your little pamphlet. It says selfie with no filter. Hashtag Ipsy August 2018. It says ready to glow, food for thought, just a bunch of things and where to follow them. So first thing that came in here is glow for a cause, lip love in flirt. I guess that's what the shade is. It's in flirt. This is a cute little chapstick. It is very cute. I actually never heard of this company before, so this is nice. Oh, that's a very strong watermelon smell. I absolutely love watermelon, so I don't really mind this smell. This is super cute. I'm definitely excited to try this because for me personally, I can never have enough chapsticks. I have so many. So next that came in here is this Glamour Dolls Sweet Treats Lip Gloss. I love this packaging. Look how freaking cute this is. Isn't this adorable? I absolutely love this. It has a smell of fruits. It smells like candy, actually. I can't really say fruits. It smells like candy, and it's super cute. Like the little thingy comes out. Oh, it's so cute. And I'm gonna swatch this so that you guys can see. It's a very cute tinted gloss. It's not like all that bad. It's not like a whole lip color blended with your lips. It's a very, very pretty, and I think it's gorgeous. And I love this. It's super cute, and it has like small little flecks of glitter inside. It's very nice and adorable. So next that came in here is this Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush in the shade Prom Queen. And again, I've never heard, I honestly, as weird as it sounds, I've never heard of Glamour Dolls either. I have never heard of Kaleido Cosmetics, but I think this is really super cute. So this is the packaging. It's a cute little compact. And then you open it up and it has a nice little mirror. Okay. It has a nice little mirror, and then this is the skin blush, which it looks more like a highlighter to me. I can't use this as a blush. I've tried this already. I can't use this as a blush because it literally just doesn't even look like it literally looks like a highlighter. Like it doesn't have, I'm guessing it's because it like just blends in with my skin tone, but it's very pretty and soft. Look at this. See, doesn't that look like a highlighter? I can't say it's a skin blush because it just doesn't seem, look, it just goes with my skin. I just can't really see this as a highlighter. I mean, as a blush, it just makes no sense to me. So I use it as a highlighter, but it is very blinding as a highlighter. So very pretty, and I definitely do want to invest in getting the rest of these. I know that there's more. So I definitely want to try to get more of those because they look beautiful. I think that's very pretty. Next is this Adesi New York Organic Infused Nail Lacquer, and it says gel effect in the bottom. I have As you guys know, I got an Adesi cuticle oil in my BoxyCharm for September. No, for my BoxyCharm in August. So this is pretty cool. And this is a gorgeous like red pink color. It's very pretty. It is in the shade Parasol. And I don't really paint my nails much, and I don't do my nails often either, but I do want to start doing it a little more often. In this bag is this MAC False Lashes in Extreme Black. This is a small little mascara, and I've never had a MAC product before, so this is, well, I have one MAC product. This is it's a pigment, but this is my second MAC product, and I think it's pretty cool. I used this yesterday and it actually works pretty well, so I enjoy it. Well, that's all that I got in my August Ipsy bag, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me comments down below letting me know what you guys got in your Ipsy bag. If you got the same thing, if you got a couple things the same but a couple different things, let me know. Let me know down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. I'm definitely going to start doing more tutorials. I have to start doing more tutorials. I keep telling myself that. A little less unboxing, a little more tutorials. So yes, thank you guys for watching. I'm very happy that you guys are here, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you haven't already. And if you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia and I'm an aspiring MUA. I love you guys and thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get to 100 subscribers, guys. I'm very excited. We're almost at 80, so let's do it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.